Wednesday, May 21, 2014. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy, and this is my 1983 Mercedes 240 diesel. I'm continuing where I left off last night. I am patching up the rear section of the driver's side floor. You can see I already am tacking a patch into place, and I'm going to continue with that tonight. Hopefully, with a little bit of luck, I can get the rear portion of the floor finished tonight, and maybe even start on the front. So, not much more to say. I'm going to get to work now, and I'll show you what I have done at the end of the evening. I'm actually not quite at my stopping point, but I'm very close. I basically have completed all the welding I'm going to do here in the rear. Got that big portion closed off. I also got that spot right there. None of this is really good looking welding or perfect. Nothing like I did in the fender. The fender turned out much better if you go back to that video, because I actually butt welded that patch into place. Whereas these here, I've got overlapping joints, which I personally find more difficult to do. So, got this welded up, took a grinder and I brushed everything again. I still have those pinholes up front, but given where everything is, I think a better approach there, because the metal is basically solid, is just to use the rust encapsulator, which I'm going to be using, and then just fill the pinholes most likely with seam sealer. So, the last thing I'm going to do for this evening is actually get rust encapsulator on all of this. So, I'm going to do that, and then I'll very quickly show you the end result. Okay, I'm at my stopping point for the evening. The rear floor is basically done. So, as I predicted, this portion of the project was really not a big time commitment. I have this coated in Eastwood's rust encapsulator now. I used the brush-on stuff because I had a can. These gray swirls you see are a few areas that I had to spray. It's also rust encapsulator, but it's the gray stuff. I don't think I'll have any problem with this stuff mixing. Basically, I had to spray the underside of these brackets there. Couldn't get a brush in. Also, had to spray in here. So, next time I'm out here, probably tomorrow, although I won't have much time tomorrow, I'm going to start on the front. The only thing left to do here with the rear is to seam seal the repairs, as well as the pinholes, and then apply the truck bed liner. So, but I'm probably going to give this a little more dry time before I try any of that. So very likely tomorrow I'm just going to do the bare basics to start on the front portion. So this is Mercedes Diesel Guy. Thanks for watching.